Top news headlines. Legendary filmmaker Aribam Syam Sarma cautions people against Citizenship Amendment Act. Meghalaya Assembly to take resolution to demand ILP. And panic buying of fuel grips Manipur. Hello, good evening. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Noted Manipur filmmaker and international awardee Aribam Syam Sarma today underlined on the need of the people of Northeast to stand united and fight against Citizenship Amendment Act. Talking to journalists at his residence located at Thangmaiban, Laurungpure, Lekay, Imphal today, Sarma expressed his happiness over the extension of inner line permit system to the state and thanked everyone for their contribution. However, he condemned Citizenship Amendment Act and urged everyone to fight against the law, saying it will affect the indigenous population of the region in the long run. Syam also extended his solidarity to Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam, where anti-CAA protests are still continuing. The legendary filmmaker also expressed grief over the loss of precious lives during protests in Assam.
Problem kaya thengnaraba problem kaya uraba ama oina ina haijaningi madudi ke base north east chanahan biganu ani subda masi chanahan danaba karimba upaya ma tawbi badudi yam nungai manipura ILP chi chanahan danabani hairabadi aina thagachari adu masi ohelmbira populimak tasu aina thagachari loinana akhoni sukaw ko bu yadabdi ji Assam da thoiba Tripura da Meghalaya da Asinichim da Thoiba ati North Eastern State da Thoiba Pulamakse akoi pulap lepminaraga aduga makoina akoina pami se pulap oina phangnaba hotnabani se haibase mayam daina appeal tawjari.
The Meghalaya government has decided to convene a one-day special session of the State Legislative Assembly to bring in a government resolution to implement the ILP in the state. The decision to convene the special session of the State Assembly came after a delegation of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government, led by its chairman and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, met Union Home Minister Amit Saha in New Delhi this morning. The delegation urged the Union Home Minister to implement the inner line permit in the entire Meghalaya. The delegation also apprised the Union Home Minister about the shortage of essential commodities throughout the state in view of the law and order situation in the neighboring state of Assam. It may be mentioned that more than 20,000 people gathered in front of the Ras Bhavan in Shillong yesterday demanding implementation of ILP in Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Union Minister Amit Saha today assured the northeastern states that their culture, social identity, language and political rights will be untouched, amid the huge outrage over the citizenship law that was signed off by President Ram Nath Kovind on Thursday during an election rally in Jharkhand. Amit Saha also assured the states of the northeast that their culture, social identity, language and political rights will be untouched and the Narendra Modi government will protect them.
हम सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल लेकर आए, आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर आग लगाने में पड़े हो, आग लगाने में पड़े हो। मगर मैं आज इस मंच से आसाम और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के सभी राज्यों को कहना चाहता हूं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के भाइयों बहनों की संस्कृति, उनकी भाषा, उनकी सामाजिक पहचान और उनके राजनीतिक अधिकार अब क्षुण्ण रहेंगे। इसको बचाने की जिम्मेदारी देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में चलती हुई सरकार की है। इसको हम तनिक मात्र भी आंच नहीं आने।
People of Manipur are now worried that they might face shortage of LPG gas, petrol and diesel as Assam continues to burn over Citizenship Amendment Act. Panic buying of fuel by people started this morning at different fuel stations at Imphal. Hundreds of vehicles were seen lined up outside fuel stations. Almost all fuel outlets were closed after 12 noon. If the mass protest in Assam is not ended soon, it has been speculated that Manipur might face shortage of fuel. Meanwhile, Assistant Manager of Highway Petroleum Agency at Teravazar, Nawal Kishore, said there will be no shortage of fuel.
Adu thadi lag do wale iladi akoi di amok hangni pirani am normal dane koi pirise a problem leisa akoi kya akoi CAB lagu tomne adu ki Iran ki matang da thau khara lag to wal bane adu matang da di thau di loi bane adu ki bidai je mi je ki wai je cham chani ki aba mi se lising ma chonga hapsale adu ki stock yam thun loi bane adu hojik lag do wale adu lai di amok di akoi pirani
क्यों से मरा मरो लेबनिंग आई थी वो इतनी बनी तो मीना मिपाई लगा थाउ फंगोदरा नगी हाय बगी खरा कीबा म यौमा ले मयाम की अदुई मरमदा क्यों से लेबना भी ओय माले क्यों दी थोइना लेब तरसु याय थाउ दी मरा काना लेरी थाउ दुम मखा पिथरा गनी थाउ सु दुम लाई जिसु दुम गाई लाई मखा दुम थाउ जे दुम पिथरा गने बा थाउ से अवात पति लेitra बने गछि भौगी ओइना दी.
In the meantime, according to information received by TOMTV, the oil depot has now petrol stock for 5 days and diesel for 7 days. Following the development, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam has reportedly instructed all fuel outlets to give 3 liters of petrol to 2-wheelers, 5 liters to 4-wheelers and 10 liters to heavy vehicles. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has cancelled his trip to Meghalaya on 15 and 16 of this month, keeping in view of the protests in Assam and some other parts of the northeast over the passage of Citizenship Amendment Bill. According to media reports, Amit Shah was supposed to take part in the passing out parade of the Northeastern Police Academy near Shillong tomorrow, and also to visit Arunachal Pradesh the next day to take part in the festival. To be mentioned, at least tens of thousands of protesters against Citizenship Amendment Act came out to streets of Northeast since Wednesday last, clashing with police and plunging the region into a chaos. We have a short commercial break, but coming up next. 6-hour total shutdown imposed by Naga Students Federation in all Naga inhabited areas ends peacefully. More after the break.
Ano wamadi nungai pa government ki thaba ma soina phangba yargani ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gi damakta guarantee pidun lagli India gi oina sarkar gi thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hanagan ICS ki thoidoba officers sing di course amakha ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department sing gi haibadi banking railway post office home teaching defense court haibu sing asida thabak line phangalagan ICS ki teaching method na minute mari nataga manga sangadaba question singbu second ahum nataga mari da solve to bangamale Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chabu thamjari for details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers 4-wheelers commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pizari
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudingmaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pizari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni sangka
Welcome back. The 6-hour total shutdown imposed by Naga Students Federation in all Naga inhabited areas, which began at 6 a.m. today, ended peacefully. The strike was called to express the resentment of the Naga people against the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Parliament against the interests and sentiments of the indigenous people of Northeast states, NSF said in a statement. The NSF had directed all its federating units and subordinate bodies in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland to take off all necessary measures to ensure that the total ban was carried out successfully in their respective jurisdiction. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAC) organized a review meeting on anti-CAF movement in the Northeast and Manipur at lamjingbatomtv, Imphal today. Convener of MANPAC Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, co-conveners Amuk Kamay and Mangcha Haukip presided the review meeting. MANPAC adopted 5 resolutions during the meeting. The committee reaffirmed their stand against Citizenship Act. MANPAC also condemned the harassment and assaults meted out to the people of Assam, Tripura and other Northeast states by government forces during protests. The committee also stated that though ILP has been implemented in Manipur, it is not the right time to celebrate as Assam and Tripura are on boil over Citizenship Act. The committee also announced that a sit-in protest will be held at Wall Club, Wangkhayangom Laikai on December 17 at 11:30 a.m. to show solidarity to anti-CAA protests across the Northeast. A 2-day-long national seminar on combating climate change and integrated action plan was kicked off today at the auditorium of Nelit Akampat, Imphal. The seminar is jointly hosted by Institutions of Engineers, India, Manipur State Center and Interdisciplinary Coordination Committee IEI Headquarter, Kolkata. Former PWD Chief Engineer T.H. Joykumar, Chairman of Manipur State Center, Institution of Engineers, India, and Syam Sundar, Retired Chief Engineer M. Lokendra, Chief Engineer of PWD K.H. Temba and several engineering students and experts attended the opening day of the seminar. And Syam Sundar expressed concern about the global climate change and its effect on agricultural activities. He maintained that the seminar is conducted with an objective to find ways to help solve these issues. The 5th Thongam Ibohol Singh and Thongam Ongbi Ivecha Devi Memorial Cycle Award 2019 was organized by Lions Club Moirang today at the INA Matthews Hall, Moirang under Bisnupur district. At the event, altogether 25 selected underprivileged students from Moirang constituency were given free bicycles under the sponsorship of social worker Thongam Santi Singh. Lions Club International District 322 MGF past District Governor H. Manikumar, L. Japan Singh of Lions Club Moirang, social worker T.H. Shanti attended the event. T.H. Shanti recalled the hardships he had faced as a student and the struggle by his parents due to the poverty.
Satliba matam ki khongjen na matam mangandana khogna aina mutar school bok chatpa matam na sanghiba timing cycle na satlaga di minute manga da yawdo ai khogna satlaga di minute 13 nifu chatkiba Imphal je chatna na khona da bhara leidana mi gi cycle war ga Imphal bok chatpa da khoi da thengna ki bai cycle na Imphal bok chatpa ngam gi sakti adu bok kya ga do ur ga khallu ga ai puning da phorukpa wakhal amasina mang da thamjara kanda madu ga di ai lai ra satra lai su thazana ma khoi da knowledge leiba lai hai bagi wakhalon chu leiba adum la satra si da pi bagi mana se ai cycle sina aina ningjarakpa aina khanjarakpa wakhal myam se ka sanma se cycle sina oigani haiba wakhal londu da aina cycle si taujage haina lepsakibani.
Alleging right violation by concerned authorities, women members of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution Laborers Welfare Association today stayed a seat in demonstration at Kaisampat Lamazam Laikai Community Hall, Far West. However, a large number of police, including women personnel, foiled the protest, which triggered a scuffle between the two sides. Reportedly, some protesters were picked up by cops from the side. Members and volunteers of Conflict Wider Forum, United Women's Rights Defenders, Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Domestic Violence Survivor Forum held a sit-in protest in front of Manipur High Court complex today. They drew the attention of Chief Justice of Manipur High Court to intervene in the pending cases relating to crime against women and children in Manipur. The protesters also demanded that the government be directed to recruit more judges to strengthen FSL and to install a DNA testing machine to ensure speedy trial. The protesters also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Justice in this regard. Gari Awang Lekai Women's Development Center today celebrated its 32nd Foundation Day at the Gari Awang Lekai Community Hall. Jila Parishad of Imphal West Changangay S. Marjit and President of All Manipur Nupi Samas, T.H. Ramani, President of Gari Awang Women's Development Center, Famdom Ongbi, Chandrazini, Gram Panchayat members and several social workers attended the celebration.
Samasida icha singbu kandaba yade isu singbu kandaba yade haidana ma singsina hodopidana ngasi bawba sei kuthra ne thoi suna chupna khoigi function se pakthuktana laksari miyamgi leibaki oiba thaudang punamak yaduna lai apunbagi saktamda adubu punsinnaraga mayam punamak thabak tawbase ima belsingi apambagi pakta matungina khoi injai apunbana pangane haiba ahalsingi pawroksu leijai adumaina tawraga khoi sumaina laksabani leibaki oiba asoba thaudang haibadi any problem khudimakta Gari Awang Women Development Center na apun bagi saktam galoina na koi saruk yajagani.
Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12th exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. A book titled Kaya Bachafu Mached by Ramesor Sarungbam was released today at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal. The book release function was organized by the Cultural Forum Manipur. Convener Manipur Language Advisory Board Sahitya Academy, Nongmai Kiran Kumar Singh, Cultural Forum Manipur President Hurem Birahari Singh, and Assistant Professor, DM College of Arts, Sadat Chandra Longjam, attended the event. A combined team of NAB, MCB, Imphal East Police, Sagolman Police, assisted by residents of Kongbal Tangkul village, today destroyed over 1 acres of illegal poppy plantation at Maharani Hilltop, located about 6 kilometers from Kongbal Tangkul village. The team was led by Superintendent of Police of Narcotics Affairs and Border, W. Vasu, a report said.
Present government war against drug and declare to Budugi Kongjang Amoina, Quina Poppy Destruction Drive, say Hojavani, and the Kitsahi, when 21st September, the Kobru Hill Range, the Karga Poppy Destruction, who had Han, where was the Kongjang, Aina Kanrasi, Taruk Muxuboyongani. So far, was it 500 help exact figure doing later 520, 30 acres report. Yantat Krequina, Nasigi, Yaudabit. Adugi exact kind of figure they on later, Adubu was it Moinazu soil, Kaika Karamaza, Karamba soil, Kaika Sani, has a Moikan study theory. For example, village maming duri kauri moina jingchen thaba yagadra kaina meeting chalaga yi additional SP tharaga armaina yawbri leigre ado aina khanbra soidana thu matamda alternative means pinaba present government se torkadu mal hai ki wakanda.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India, 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching, highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties, 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session, study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell, smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi, 24 hours Wi-Fi campus, brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
The US, the UK, France and Israel have issued travel advisories following violent protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act in parts of the Northeast, advising their citizens either not to travel to the region or to exercise caution, a media report said. The US, in an advisory posted on the website of its mission in New Delhi, asked American citizens in the northeastern states to exercise caution following the protests and violence in response to the Citizenship Amendment Act. The UK Foreign Office said British citizens should exercise caution if you are planning to travel in Northeast India, monitor local media for the latest information, follow instructions of the local authorities and allow more time for travel. The advisory noted there was an indefinite curfew in Guwahati and mobile internet services had been suspended in Tain district of Assam. The French Foreign Ministry's advisory alerted French citizens to general strikes, demonstrations and scuffles with the police in several cities in the states of Assam and Tripura. Now we have the sports news. JYC team was today awarded the walkover at the 17th Th Radhamani Memorial First Division Football League Tournament 2019. It came after LFC team failed to turn up for the match. Organized by All Jerevam Sports Association, the tournament began from December 6. 6 teams are participating in the tournament. All the world's top 50 men and women players bar Victoria Azarenka have confirmed they will start the Australian Open, the first Grand Slam of the season at Melbourne Park in January 2020. According to the media reports, top-ranked Rafael Nadal and Aslek Varty laid the field of the 115th edition of the tournament from January 20 to February 7 next year, which will mark the return to the action of former world number 3 John Martin Del Potro. Djokovic, the defending champion, and is gunning for an 8th title, while Federer is looking for his 7th. Now, let's have the top news headlines. Legendary filmmaker Aribam Syam Sharma cautions people against Citizenship Amendment Act. Meghalaya Assembly to take resolution to demand ILP. And panic buying of fuel grips Manipur. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur. ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ